Visual spectacle. So we're not giving up those right now, and this should be amazing.
为了形成新的队形呢，我们会看见非常的光烈，如何射入夜空，每一个都被精确的控制，创造出令人惊叹的视觉奇观。
Well, tonight as we stand together under this beautiful sky, we celebrate the spirit of unity that stretches all across Singapore, from our vibrant communities to every corner of our island home. And this evening, we come together for one countdown. It's a celebration that unites us as one people, one community, and one family, sharing the same excitement as we count down to a brand new year. And now let the magic slowly unfold as the stars light up, as we can say this one countdown, marking the beginning of a spectacular journey to Countdown 2025, a year of hope, new opportunities, and shared dreams.
是的，今晚当我们站在这个美丽的星空下呢，我们进入着充满了全新加坡的团结精神。从我们充满活力的城市到我们老家园的美丽角落，今晚共同倒数这世界上将我们团结为一个民族、一个社会、一个家庭的纪念。我们共同分享着迎接新年的喜悦。现在让火把开始，让天空亮起，标注着我们迈向2025年倒数的转换旅程的开始。这将是充满希望、新机遇和共同梦想的一年。
Enjoy the spectacle of one countdown with the nation right across Singapore. As we really is everything about the general friends of us, cheers about the connection with a wavy. Oh, unbelievable moments to share with a couple of our lives later.
没错，让我们聚在一起的时候呢，记得多珍惜身边的朋友，来拍照，如果我们之间的欢笑呢难忘时刻，就像现在 ，alright， 记得跟朋友多拍照。
And yes, our 60th year of independence, a testament to the resilience, unity, and unwavering spirit of this little red dot. Yes, it is FT60.
60周年前的这个小红点，新加坡人民的韧性、团结和坚定不移的精神。SG60，我们来啦！
And of course, from our pioneers, who laid a foundation to every generation that follows. Together, we are building a Singapore that is vibrant, resilient, and full of opportunity.
接下来的这一步呢，能坚定基础的先驱者，让后来的每一代人，我们携手共建一个充满活力、韧性和机遇的新加坡。
We are gathered here today, Nee Soon and one. It's one Singapore together here at Nee Soon Countdown 2025. We are building a resilient community here in Nee Soon. So we want to thank you for being here. Countdown in the 2025 with hands, yes, these hands of honesty, trust, partnership, and the collective spirit of our community. Together, we lift each other up, support one another through challenges, and build a future filled with hope and possibility.
是交错的双手呢，相互在体现我们关系和我们社区的集体精神。我们携手共进，在挑战中互相支持，
It is our island nation. It is our island of love. We call it home. And through the Nee Soon Cares 2024 voucher program, we stand together to foster this from our states. Boost our local businesses while we go for the emergency loan in all. And President Lee in 2022 has supported the five and one directly and a single support. So nobody in the families while energizing the heart of our neighborhoods as we're moving to 2025 and that's the time again. Soon Cares 2024.
是的，通过2020关怀月计划，我们携手在我们的社区中培养不平友好、
As we welcome to the year, we'll celebrate the our program is a promise to support our ladies, uplift families, and strengthen our community ties. With the information counter to get to know more on our independent clubs, send over to Nee Soon GRC.
是在我们迎接新年之际呢，我们庆祝是艺术纠正与用户的特质，就是我们共同关怀彼此的承诺。Nee Soon GRC 不仅仅是一个项目，它是支持邻里、提升家庭、加强社区联系的工作。如果还没有前往呢，请前往新兴电台了解更多，或者也可以前往Nee Soon GRC任何社区互动活动。
So beautiful, so exciting, so awesome and spectacular. That man waving at you, and you can wave back to itself within the heart of the community here at Nee Soon. As we want to thank you folks for being here at Nee Soon Countdown 2025 and back to 2024, a year of challenges and have overcome, memories made, and milestones achieved together as a community. It's because of each and every one of you that we stand together stronger, ready to step forward into a brand new year. 正是因为在座的每一位所有艺术朋友，我们今天才更加的坚强，准备迈入崭新的一年。And why not? Happy New Year, everybody! Let's cheer, let's hug our loved ones, let's celebrate this moment together as one community, one family, and one Singapore. 快乐各位！祝愿是你们家共同庆祝这个。Wishing everyone the very happy new year. Nee Soon with love. As our brother tonight, let's take a moment to appreciate not the technology, but what it represents as well. Your support for Bill's Road, welcoming and harmony, and our community shines bright as we come together, each playing our part to create something beautiful. May we ignite a spark of wonder and possibility in each of us the year ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them all a big round of applause! 那我们在无人机表演结束的之后呢，让我们花点时间欣赏我们的艺术，还有它所代表的意义，就像这些和谐工作的热情一样，让我们团结在一起的时候呢，我们的社区才是最闪耀，每个人都在发挥自己的作用，共同创造美好的事物。各位，掌声鼓励！ What a spectacular show! Amazing, beautiful people here, right over Nee Soon tonight on the very last day of 2024, and gathering together to celebrate a brand new year. So, let's just give it up once again with all the cameras and people photographs as well. We want to hear Nee Soon roar, Nee Soon scream! We have a very special moment for you and you only. Yeah, we thought about this, and I think you might have seen it before just moments ago. And of course, she's backing in together with volunteers, and we're talking about Georgina and Angelina. Please put your hands together.